Which of these three viral editing applications is the best for edits in text animation? In this video, I have tested text animation in CAPCUT, Alight Motion, and Node Video. Let's see which app delivers the best results. Now you might be wondering, no one really uses Node Video, so why did I include it? You're right, not many people use it, but nowadays editors are shifting to Node Video for better quality. I know there are very few Node Video editors in the market, but those who use it are competing with After Effects users. Anyway, let's test all three one by one. CAPCUT. CAPCUT offers a wide range of text effects that look really cool, and you can check them out. However, the quality it provides isn't as high as the other apps we're about to test. So watch carefully to decide which editing app is best for you. Now that I've created the edit in CAPCUT, we'll compare all three apps at the end to see which one performs the best. Alight Motion. You must already be familiar with this editing app. It's growing rapidly and its trend is amazing. However, it offers very few built-in effects. There's another version called Aftermotion, which provides a huge range of effects. Some of which are inspired by After Effects. Now you might think, does it even work properly? Yes, you're wrong if you think it doesn't. It works perfectly, and you should check it out. Now that I've completed the edit in this app as well, let's move on to Node Video. Wait, you haven't subscribed yet? Come on, subscribe now. Node Video. This app is highly underrated. Many new editors find it complicated and give up on it. Even I struggled at first. I didn't even know how to import media. I deleted and reinstalled the app multiple times. But here's the thing. Node Video offers a massive range of high-level effects. However, it runs poorly on low-end devices and starts lagging after adding a few effects. But if your device can handle it, the results are outstanding. As you can see, I've added a blur effect during the fade transition to make it look cooler. Which app has the best text animation? CAPCUT. The results weren't as impressive as Alight Motion or Node Video, and the quality was lacking. However, if you're short on time and need a quick edit, CAPCUT is the best choice. Alight Motion. The results are smooth and high quality, making it the best option for edits. However, it is time-consuming. Node Video. The animations were extremely smooth, and the app offers multiple customization options. You can create your own unique animations. The only downside is that it's complicated, and many editors struggle to understand it. But once you master it, you can create edits just like After Effects. Your editing skills matter more than the app you use. If you're skilled enough, you can create amazing edits in any app. See you in the next video.